When driver drives slowly on the left lane, it's more dangerous for everyone on the road. Why is that? When slow drivers scatter among the roads, the fast drivers have to pass by, slow down, and change lane frequently. This leads them change left and right many times and make dangerous moves, which is more likely to cause an accident. Therefore, some states in the U.S. now fine drivers for going slowly on the highway. Some people may argue that they did not exceed the speed limit, so they shouldn't have been fined. However, research shows that cars going 10 km per hour below limit are more likely to cause accident than those going 10 km per hour faster. But there is a better way for traffic to flow. That is, we only use the left lane for passing so that the fast driver can pass all the slow drivers in one move. Reducing the number of lane changing and eliminating the slowdown,